What's up, guys? Here to bring you 11 awesome tax deductions, also known as write-offs, for your online business. So let's just jump right into it. Now, for this first one, it's my favorite one, and it's travel. So if you're an online business owner, odds are you have clients all over the place. For example, I'm out in Utah, but I have clients in, Miami, Chicago, California, all over the place. So what you can do is you can travel to meet these clients in person, and you can deduct the flights there and back. And for every day where there is legitimate business activity, you can write off the meals for that day, the hotel rooms for that day, as well as renting a car for that day, the Uber, the Lyft, all that stuff. It's totally awesome. Get to build better connections with your clients as well as travel and see the world a little bit. So number 2, we have advertising. This could be Google ads, Facebook ads, Twitter ads, really any paid promotion or advertisement. And this is one that can add up quick if you're doing a lot of ad spend. The third is dues and subscriptions. So a lot of your softwares fall into this, like Calendly for your call booking software, Loom, your accounting software. We use Xero, Google Workspace, your CRM, your domains, your website hosting, all that type of stuff falls into here. And for people in our industry, this is definitely one that adds up a ton. We like to use lots of softwares, right? My name's Dylan, and I own Sledge Accounting, where we provide full-service accounting, advanced monthly reporting, and unlimited consulting for online business owners. If this is you and you'd like us to handle all of this for you, go to sledgeaccounting.com and book a free strategy call with me. I'll have a link in the description below. Fourth is home office. So if you have a place in your home that's used exclusively for business, now that's the key word. It needs to be exclusively for business, not used for anything else. Then you can use the simplified method to deduct $5 for every square foot of work area used exclusively for business. So the maximum deduction on this is $1,500 or 300 square feet. For example, if you had a 200 square foot office, you'd be able to deduct $1,000. And there's another method called the standard method where you might be able to get a little bit more out of this one. Ask your accountant about it. And number 5 is coaching and education. This is another favorite one of mine. So coaching groups, conferences, conventions, courses, all that type of stuff. And the reason that I like this one is the money you spend here is tax deductible, but it's also likely going to increase your earning capacity. You join that coaching group, they show you and teach you some stuff, and now you're that person capable of making more money than you were before. So it's a deduction, and it's also going to make you more money. This is an awesome one, and it can kind of go hand in hand with the travel. So I'm in Utah, but say that there's, some big accounting convention in Ohio. I could fly to Ohio and go to the convention. The convention fees are deductible. The flights are deductible. The hotel rooms for every day the convention's going on is deductible, and the meals, that type of thing. The sixth one, it would seem kind of common and simple, but it's one that actually gets missed a lot, especially in those solopreneur type people. But it's actually your phone and your internet expenses. So yeah, throw that phone bill on your business card, throw the internet bill on your business card. It adds up. It's usually $1,000 to $2,000 a year. And for number 7, we have professional fees. This is another personal favorite of mine because I'm an accountant. But these accounting fees, your legal fees, your consulting fees, these are all tax deductible, and these can add up as well. This is another awesome one because, with the accounting, it's going to save you on taxes. You're going to keep track of stuff. You're going to be able to have insightful insights into your business. The legal stuff is going to protect your assets. The consulting, might give you some insight on how to be more efficient and make more money. So it's another one that, you pay for, and it also makes you more money, and it also is tax deductible. It's like a quadruple win type of deduction. So the 8th is computer equipment. So this could be your monitor, your PC, keyboard, mouse, webcam, lighting, all that kind of stuff. Definitely put it on that business card. It's definitely deductible, or if you spend over a certain amount on it, it could actually be depreciable. But yeah, definitely want to take advantage of that one. And the 9th is wages, salaries, payments to contractors. So paying your employees, paying contractors, that's all tax deductible. And as you grow, this will actually probably end up being your biggest expense, your biggest tax deduction. But everything you pay out to these people is tax deductible. And the 10th is business meals. So catering meals to your team, buying the meal that you have with a client or a potential client, or meals when you're traveling. Those are all 50% deductible. So for the traveling part, you have to actually be traveling, like outside of your city. It's not like on your way to the office, you stop at Taco Bell. That doesn't count. But if you're traveling, that totally counts, and those are all 50% deductible. And the last one might not be totally applicable to some of you guys, online business owners, but the mileage for 2023 is 65.5 cents per mile using the standard mileage method. So that means if you were to drive 10,000 business miles, you would have a $6,500 deduction. And like I said, it might not be crazy applicable to some of you guys, but maybe you're going to the post office very frequently, shipping stuff out to clients. Maybe live in a really big city where you're lots of potential clients around you and you're driving to meet with them frequently, all that type of stuff. And if that's the case and you fall into that bucket, definitely make sure that you're tracking those business miles. And that's all I got for you. If you want help doing this type of stuff, go to sledgeaccounting.com and book a free call with me. The link will be in the description below. And if you found some value from this video, go ahead, give it a like, hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks, guys.